Well, syempre, always excited naman po kami. Tagal din nung nakuha namin break eh. So, pagbalik namin nung first practice, close naman kami lahat sa team. So, talagang miss na miss namin yung isa't isa eh. And, ayun, kulitan agad, and practice agad, and yun, exciting naman po.
Nga mo sa addition naman ni Stanley Pringle sa Rain or Shine, gano'n lang kalaki yung kumbaga impact niya so far since being added to the last of Raiders?
Well, alam naman natin yung gano'n ka-talented po si Kuya Stan. And bilang young player, si Kuya Gabe, idol ko eh. Lagi kong tinatanong and I'm learning from him every day sa practice. So dinagdagan mo pa ng si Kuya Stan. So just being a sponge, learning as much as I can. Actually, wala pa naman siya. Hindi pa namin pala siya nakaka-practice. Pero excited ako pag dumating na siya. Kukulitin ko si Kuya Stan. And ayan.
About your, siyempre puro semifinals kayo na season. So how do you see your team now with Stanley and maybe perhaps more experience for the coming season? How do you think, do you feel like Rain or Shine can move next level na ba for this?
Yun naman ang goal po. Yun naman ang goal namin palagi. And sabi nga ni Coach Cheng sa amin na since na-reach namin ng semis 4 straight times, anything less than that is we count as disappointment. So hopefully makapag-finals naman, matalo naman namin, malagpasan naman namin yung semis kasi nakasawa na matalo sa semis eh. Pero sana naman po, hopefully makalagpas kami ng semis and eventually win the championship for coaching. Coming off semis ulit na siguro we'll just build on that, improve what we can improve. Sabi nga ni Isaac na mahaba-haba yung off-season, so sana, hopefully magamit namin itong off-season to improve as a team, and important din sa amin is to improve individually. Madami-dami pong kailangan ayusin, and I made sure naman this off-season really put in the work, and hopefully mapakita ko sa upcoming season po.
Harping on that question nga, how hard has it been for you na iiba mo yung shot mechanic mo considering most of your career?
Medyo mahirap. And di lang physically kasi syempre comes with it yung mental struggle eh. Kasi syempre sa start pag ganun, mag-struggle ka talaga. You'll miss some shots pero you'll need really the mental toughness to stick with it and trust your work. So hopefully mapakita ko sa next